call on the President of One Matiling Indian City Eagles Club, Mr. Bo.
ng lungsod ng Santa Rosa.
Antoinette Onya Cabrera. John Kersey Abriones, mutya ng Banay-Banay, City of Cabuyao.
From the tourist capital of Laguna, Ishiroy Casentosan, representing Mutya ng Pagsanghan.
Francine Cabusas Villanueva, mutya ng Santo Domingo, City of Bay.
This is Micaela de Chavez, your Mutya ng Los Baños. Dear Franciso, representing Barangay Nila from the Lion City of the South, Santa Rosa.
Erika Magulangan, mutya ng Banling, City of Cabuyao.
Prepared a question for you. So, basically naman to. So, if you win Mutya ng Laguna 2025, what project would you like to present to the organization aside from your advocacy?
If I win Mutya ng Laguna 2025, para sa mga kabataan ko, lalo na sa mga estudyante na hindi nakapag-aral. And I will sure that my project will grow and mga kabataan ko ngayon and mga students is I will help it po. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much.
Hello, good afternoon. Okay, so I know there's a community pageant here in Laguna. So, what made you decide to join Mutya ng Laguna?
Actually, I joined the Mutya ng Laguna as pageantry is one of my heart's long desire. But after I discovered that this Mutya ng Laguna, together with the Eagle organization, has a certain process for their beneficiaries such as the PWDs and the Eagles scholars, my heart is very overwhelmed and full po. And told the official candidates that this pageantry is not just a pageant of beauty and wit, but a pageant with a purpose. Thank you po.
Sorry, pwede mo ba ulit?
Sure. So, ayan. So, Miss Nagapo Santa Rosa, can you give us 3 interesting facts about you na gusto mong i-share sa mga viewers, sa amin also, and also the organization?
Alright. The 3 interesting facts about me is I love traveling, I can be angry for you for a long time, and I love helping other people. Well, I believe that a true beauty isn't just the inside. She embodies the qualities to inspire and to uplift. The 3 qualities that I have is compassion, confidence, and integrity. Confidence radiates strength. Compassion shows kindness. And integrity keeps me grounded and genuine. And with that, I believe that every beauty queen should have that because you can be a true beauty queen in all ways. Thank you.
Press presentation pa lang yan. How old are you, Iha?
I'm 21.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Great player, Franceliso from Villa, Tarosa City.
Good afternoon po.
Hi, good afternoon. So my question for you is, if you are crowned Bonggalan Laguna 2025, what legacy would you like to leave behind for your community?
If I were crowned as Bonggalan Laguna 2025, I'd want to leave a legacy that truly reflects the warmth and resilience of Laguna's people. Thank you.
What's the best piece of advice you've ever received from your mentor?
Well, the best piece of advice that I received to my mentor is to be a strong woman. Because if we are optimistic and strong enough, I believe that we can inspire and motivate other people to do their best and be the best version of themselves. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello po.
You're so stunning. How are you?
I'm doing great. Kayo po?
I'm good. Fantastic. Thank you. So I would like to ask, for you, what is the meaning of the word mutya?
For me, the meaning of mutya is the jewel of a community. Being a mutya doesn't just mean being beautiful. It also means having a wonderful purpose. And I am standing here in front of you today because I want to use my platform to heal and not just to shine. And I thank you.
Question 1. What are the challenges that you encounter during the preparation of this pageant?
To tell you an honest story, I joined my first ever national pageant last year. It was Miss Fit Philippines 2024. And after that, I never compete again after more than a year. So it was really a hard thing for me to start again. But now it feels so new. I started training my pasarela, my Q&A trainings, and more. Yes, it is a challenge, but I take it as a sign for me to work harder, a perseverance to redeem myself and be the best version of myself. Thank you.
Ganda. Ano kayo mo, girl?
Firefighter.
Ayan, ang itik talaga. So my question is, ang dami-dami mga pageants dito sa Laguna at suking-suki kami dito sa Laguna mag-cover. There are a lot of many pageants in Laguna. So why Lagunenses should also give attention or why Lagunenses should also support Mutya ng Laguna pageant?
Alright. Lagunenses should support Mutya ng Laguna 2025 because it is not just about the beauty. It is about celebrating our tradition, our culture, and also showcasing our talents. And we have different kinds of pageants here in Laguna. Therefore, Mutya ng Laguna 2025, we are given a chance, we are given an opportunity to showcase our different talents, as well as we have different stories to tell, as well as we have different advocacies to tell. Therefore, we are given a chance to have a diverse opportunity, to have a voices, to be
what does it mean to be an empowered woman in today's society?
Oh, you know what? An empowered woman is someone who believes in her dream, who never gives up. Just like me. You know, guys, it's actually my 4th time joining the provincial pageant, no? And usually I've been crowned as the first runner-up. But here I am, standing in front of you, joining another provincial pageant and reclaiming my destiny, reclaiming my crown. So that is what an empowered woman. She is a beacon of hope. She inspires others to never give up on her dreams. And that is what an empowered woman means. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, dear. I'm so gorgeous.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How about me? Just kidding. Alright, so my question for you is, as a candidate of Mutya ng Laguna, how do you deal with failures and criticism?
As a Mutya ng Laguna candidate, I deal with failures and criticisms by turning them into strength. Through this journey, I have received a lot of comments by having no lab team. But instead of feeling sad, I turn them into my inspiration and motivation. Because for me, criticisms are not meant to break us, but to push us through our limits. Thank you.
If I would be crowned as a Mutya ng Laguna 2025, I would like to be remembered as a queen who gave her heart, her time, and effort throughout her journey. And I want to be remembered how I became the voice of the youth, the bridge for unity, and made a positive impact for this community. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, Juliana. Alright. So, if you win the crown, what can you offer and how will you promote the Mutya ng Laguna organization?
When I become the next Mutya ng Laguna, I will of course hold my beauty and show the people my care and knowledge for our heritage. How I will show the world not only in Laguna but the entire world of our culture and our traditions. And of course, I will lead with my purposeful life as advocating for environmental justice. As a civil engineering student, I am knowledgeable about proper waste management and waste segregation, and I can partner up with the LGUs and the private sectors in order to uplift our nation. Because as you can see now, we are being terribly perished by natural disasters such as floods. So I believe that I can uphold all of these promises as the next Mutya ng Laguna. Thank you. Hello everyone!
Ganyan energy. Habang hinahanap na yung question. Ayan, alam mo Iha, masyadong hot topic ngayon mag-usapin about sa social issues like corruption, ganyan. So, do you think a beauty queen should express her political views?
I believe that everyone should express their political views. As a queen, I believe that we should be responsible with their action, but with respect. And I know Queen knows how to speak, how to lead, and how when to act. And I believe with that, Beauty Queen knows when about the pageant, about the politics. Thank you.
May budget kasi ang ating Mutya ng Laguna.
Press and to the audience.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, so question for you is, as a Mutya ng Laguna candidate pa lang na hindi ko winner.
Yes.
How will you use your voice to preserve our heritage while embracing modern progress?
First, I would like to share that Laguna Province is a true reflection of heritage because it holds the heart of our history and the soul of our identity. If I were to be a voice to preserve our heritage, this can be achieved through first, education on the importance and even the meaning of intergenerational heritage conservation that encompass our structures, natural landscape, landscapes and cultural practices. And second is to support our local artisans and traditional products, for instance, the Lumban embroidery, the woodwielding of Pakil, the Paite carvings, and the Abaca innovation of Los Baños. And third is integrating sustainable ecotourism, because a lot of our heritage sites are harmed by environmental degradation and over-tourism. Because to show the importance of beauty, purpose, and heritage is to be a walking testament of who we are as Lagunenses. Proud of our roots, intentional in our actions, beautiful not just in appearance but in the way we touch lives. And this is what we are going to do here in Muntianan, Laguna, to be a beacon of light, hope, and confidence, and be the face of beauty, purpose, and heritage here in Laguna. Magandang araw po at maraming salamat.
Good afternoon everyone, and to our online viewers.
Good afternoon. My question for you is, what's your insecurity in life?
I believe that speaking on the perspective of a pageant enthusiast for the past 8 years right now, is that I do have a lot of insecurities in life when it comes to my facial features, in terms of my height, but then I have learned to embrace them all. I am very thankful for those people who criticized me, because I took this criticism as to raise self-awareness and to uplift myself and to unleash my full potential. And that is why I am here standing in front of you, showing you that I do love my insecurities and I am who I am, and I am your Mutia that you've been looking for. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
You look so amazing. Morena Baby. So, I'd like to ask you, aware ka naman sa mga nangyari sa bansa natin, right? So, our country is facing social and political issues these days. So, as a beauty queen, how will you use your voice to educate and spread awareness to our fellow countrymen?
This is a very timely and relevant question for our country. And as a Mutia and also a citizen of the Philippines, I will use especially the social media, as this is the strongest tool that we have right now. But to use social media, we have to be keen and responsible. So, to be able to use my voice, I will share facts, of course, that is backed up with credible evidences that surely can open the minds of other people. Because as a beauty queen also, we always say that we will use our voice, we will be the voice of the people, but I think now that regarding with our situation, this is the time to walk the talk. Thank you.
Most about enjoying Muntianan. Right. What do you love the most about enjoying Muntianan?
Ang pinakalag ko po dito sa Laguna, yung opportunity po para maging inspirasyon ng iba at ibahagi mo yung aking confidence para maging ang pinakalag ko po sa pagsali ng Mutia ay ang aking opportunity upang ipakita ang aking paglingkod at magkaroon ng inspirasyon ng iba. Ayun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Hello, my question is kind of nag-mic test na ako. Is she Royce kasandusan of pagsanhan? Meron ka bang gusto pasalamatan mo na iayo? Sino nag-design ng dress mo na maganda in fairness?
This is designed by my lola po.
Wow! Andito si Lola?
Yes po. Nancy Biconia po, my lola.
Hindi mo ni Lola mag-design. Dahil dyan, papatangin ako later, Lola, ha? Girl, so, Ishi, my question is, do you think pageant like this, Muntianan Laguna, is important in our economy?
Well, simply yes. There are a lot of platforms and pageants that are going on in our society today. But I do believe that Mutianong Laguna 2025 stands for the best. For me, as a candidate, I've seen and I've experienced the good leadership of the organization and the Mutia Laguna as well. And I do believe that with advocacy, the good heart will help the people of the community to driven on our dreams to a more progressive and a good community. Thank you.
Good afternoon. So my question for you is, in your opinion, what is your most beautiful quality and how will you use it to inspire others?
Can you repeat the question?
What is your most beautiful quality and how will you use it to inspire others?
For me, my most beautiful quality is my responsibility. Because you know, when trying pageant, it's just more than just a crowd. It's about the act for the crowd and using it to serve others and take action. And by this, I want to inspire others to also do the same thing. That we should help others because this is a platform for us to reach and help other people. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Rainy. My question for you is, what makes you smile?
There are 3 reasons why I am smiling right now. First is I am so happy to be here. Second is, of course, this day is gonna be the day where I have the opportunity to show myself. And the third one is to be given to be here, to be sashed as your Poblacion 3, City of Cabuyao. And I know that those 3 reasons will also help me to shine today. Thank you.
My question for you is, if a young girl from Laguna looks up to you, what is the one piece of advice you would give her?
The first thing is I would feel grateful because I am able to inspire others and such young girls. That was me before when I started pageantry. The advice that I would give the young girl is that she should continue in order to serve if she wants to serve with humility and purpose. And we need different kinds of queens because queens definitely serves with purpose and with heart. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Sir Jay. Good afternoon to our press con panelists and to the organization and to everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. My question for you is, if you could control the national budget, what would you allocate the most resources to?
If I were to control the budget, I would allocate the most resources to education. Because I believe that education is our key to success. And education is something that we need to help to the progress of our country. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And my next question is for Miss Santa Rosa City.
Hi, good afternoon everyone.
Alright, Miss Santa Rosa City, my question for you is, how did you prepare for this first ever Mutianong Laguna?
I think I will prepare myself by reminding me that everything happens for a reason, and the moment that I step on the stage, possibility only comes up into my mind. Regardless of I win or I lose, what matters the most is my experience, and I've gathered and I've learned from it. And that's something it would make me inspire for me to be a better candidate, not just only for this stage, but also for me to be able to be a better person as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Of the press is Mutya. Mutya ng San Pedro. Congratulations. And our service is Mutya. Mutya ng Tagamo Santa Rosa.